Okay, then we'll start for blood pressure. Okay, today we'll take blood pressure PSM practicals. Okay, theory I will take it on my next class. I will continue it on my next class. Now you write vital signs on blood pressure. Blood pressure. Itu tomorrow PSM practicals. Okay, it's PSM practicals. Go mix it up. PSM practicals, we have finished. We have completed temperature. We have completed pulse. We have completed respiration. Now we will do the last one, that is blood pressure. Okay. So write down blood pressure. Blood pressure is the BP is the blood pressure is the force exerted by the blood. Blood pressure is the force exerted. Blood pressure is the force exerted by the blood, BLOOD blood, against the walls of the blood vessels. 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 As it flows through them. As it flows, FLOWS, as it flows through them. As it flows through them, full stop. Then you write systolic pressure is the SYSTOLIC, systolic pressure. Systolic pressure is the highest degree of pressure. Systolic pressure is the highest degree of pressure exerted by the blood, exerted, EXERTED, exerted by the blood against the walls of the blood vessels. Against the walls of the blood vessels. Against the walls of the blood vessels during the ventricular, VENTRICULAR, ventricular systole, SYSTOLE, ventricular systole, when the left ventricle is forcing, when the left ventricle, VENTRICLE, when the left ventricle is forcing the blood into the aorta, is forcing the blood into the aorta, 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 full stop. Then you write diastolic pressure, DIASTOLIC, diastolic pressure. Diastolic pressure is the lowest pressure, LOWEST, is the lowest pressure that occurs when the heart is in its resting period. When the heart is in its resting period. Resting. RESTING, resting period. PERIOD, period. Just before the contraction of the left ventricle. Just before the contraction of the left ventricle. Contraction of the left ventricle. Okay. Then you write down full stop. Pulse pressure is the pulse pressure, P-U-L-S-E, pulse pressure, P-R-E-S-S-U-R-E, pulse pressure is the difference between, pulse pressure is the difference between, pulse pressure is the difference between, pulse pressure is the difference between the systolic and diastolic pressure. Is the difference between the systolic and the diastolic pressure. So if I ask you, okay, what is the difference between systolic and diastolic pressure, then you should answer me as pulse pressure. Okay, you underline that whole line. You can underline that line. It's important, pulse pressure. Okay, pulse pressure is the difference. It makes the difference between a systolic and diastolic pressure. Okay, then you write, change the paragraph and write down the average blood pressure, the average BP, blood pressure, the average blood pressure for the healthy adult, healthy, H-E-L-T-H-Y, healthy adult, A-D-U-L-T, for the healthy adult is usually about US UALLY, is usually about 120 by 80 mmHg, millimeter. Hg is your mercury. Okay, Hg, H capital, G small letter. Okay, Hg likha aru and put a dash and write down mercury, MERCURY. The full form of Hg is mercury. If I ask you what is the full form of Hg, you should know mercury. Okay, 120 by 80 mmHg, full stop. Then you write, see 120. Okay, 120 by 80, 120 is your systolic pressure. Okay, and 80 is your diastolic pressure. Okay, up one is systolic, down one is diastolic pressure. Okay, full stop. That is, next you write, change the paragraph and write down hypertension is a condition. Hypertension, H-Y-P-E-R, hypertension. Hypertension mane, what is hypertension? Shanti Dabang.
Ma'am, maximum flow of blood.
What? Randeep, what?
Maximum flow of blood through capillaries.
No, hypertension mane high BP, high blood pressure. You know na what is high blood pressure, high BP? Do you or anyone have high BP?
No. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Paditajo, you are having high BP.
Sorry, ma'am. Yes, what?
You should not take too much tension, okay? When you take too much tension, your blood vessels will burst and it will lead to high blood pressure. Understand?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. It's due to my parents, na.
Okay. No problem. Don't take all these tensions.
No, ma'am. It's gene problem, na? Gene.
Oh, acha. Heredity.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Take some medications, okay? But too much of medications is also not good, because once you start taking the medications, you will have to continue. And the medications are also very strong. The MGs are very strong, okay? Try to avoid salt. Okay, too much of salt is also not good for high blood pressure. Okay, try to avoid meat. Eat less amount of meat. Take more amount of fish. Even eggs also you should not eat. Okay, so some of the things, and you should take green leafy vegetables. Okay, oily foods should be avoided.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So hypertension is a condition of abnormally high blood pressure, full stop. Then you write hypotension. Hypotension, H-Y-P-O, hypotension. Hypotension is a condition Hypotension is a condition of abnormally low blood pressure. Abnormally low blood pressure, low BP. ठीक है. Hypotension. Anyone is having hypotension? Paridaju is having hypertension. Anyone is having hypotension? Rohan, you have low BP?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Others, anyone? Oh, Adam Maro, she was saying she had low BP before in class last time. Adam is
Ma'am, I
present.
think Adam has because he has written, yeah, Dukhi Atma.
Dukhi Atma.
Yeah,
She is present in the class.
she has written in her bio.
Ask her to change. Adam is present.
Yes, ma'am.
You are Dukhi Atma.
No, ma'am.
Then don't write such names. Dukhi Atma and all. What your friends will think. Live every moment, okay? Try to live every moment. Everything should be positive, okay? And if you have low BP, try to sort it out because at this age, low blood pressure is also not good. You will faint, okay? You won't be able to go for any kind of social gatherings and all. So try to mend it, okay? So full stop, start to start, you write down.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, write down. And your DP is what? Please change your DP. What is that? Okay, write down factors causing variations in blood pressure. Factors causing variations in blood pressure. What are the factors? Okay, factors causing variations in blood pressure. Factors causing variations in blood pressure. Write down age, age. Number one is age, age. Can you write? Blood pressure is lower in children. Blood pressure is lower in children, CHILDRE and children, than in adults. Than in adult, ADULTS. Than in adults. Full stop. Pressure gradually increases. Pressure gradually increases. Pressure gradually increases. INCRESCS. Pressure gradually increases until 45 to 50 years. Pressure gradually increases until 45 to 50 years. YEARS. 45 to 50 years. Full stop. Then, Acha, you have written hypotension, right? In the Agor 2, you have written hypotension. Na? In hypotension, you just write down blood pressure below low BP. You should know how much the pressure. Na? Write down blood pressure below 90 by 50 mmHg. 90 by 50 mmHg. So if I ask hypotension, it should be 90 by 50 mmHg, mm of mercury. Okay. So age is over. Okay. In factors causing variations in blood pressure, age is over. Number 2, you write down. Number 2, you write, there is no difference in blood pressure. Number 2, there is no difference in blood pressure. There is no difference in blood pressure values between boys and girls. Values between boys and girls. Boys and girls. Until
Blood pressure values.
Huh?
Ma'am, blood pressure values.
blood pressure values, VALUE values. There is no difference in the means in blood pressure. There is no much difference between a boy and a girl. That's what I'm trying to say. There is no difference in blood pressure values between boys and girls until puberty. Until puberty, PUBERTY, until puberty, full stop. After that, there is no difference. There is no difference in blood pressure values. In blood pressure values, VALUES, blood pressure values between boys and girls. Between boys and girls. Okay, boys and girls until puberty. Until puberty, PUBERTY, until puberty, full stop. Then you write after that, likha, after that, comma, females usually, after that, comma, females usually, USUALLY, females usually have a lower BP, have a lower blood pressure. Females usually have a lower, okay, lower blood pressure than males, blood pressure than males, MLES, than males of the same age, than males of the same age, of the same age. Full stop. Tarpisot you write body build. Number 3, body build. Body build, body, BODY, body build, BUILD, body build. Put a dash and write down. Blood pressure is higher, BP is higher, BP is higher, HIGHER, higher in persons with, BP is higher in persons with overweight. Overweight means obesity. Ekdom mane all those people, all those fat people, okay, obesity, obese people. So pressure, their blood pressure is higher than the normal, okay, than the thin mean people. So blood pressure is higher in persons with overweight. These are overweight. Then in persons of the overweight. Then in persons of the same age with normal weight. Then in persons of the same age with normal weight. Okay, if your age is 16, then in 16 also, if one is thin mean, one is thin and the other one is if the other one is obese, fat, okay, then what will happen? Your pressure will be lower than the person who is fat, but your age group is same. Same age group into the other one will have high blood pressure. Okay, as he's overweight, that's why his BP is higher. Then write full stop. Weight reduction usually decreases the blood pressure. Weight reduction, REDUCTION, weight reduction usually decreases the blood pressure. If you don't eat well, okay, if you are weak, then your blood pressure will sink, means your blood pressure will decrease. Okay, weight reduction usually decreases the blood pressure. Full stop. Next point you write down. Which point is it? 1, 2, 3. 4th point, no?
Weight reduction.
Weight reduction usually decreases. Usually USUALLY. Usually decreases the blood pressure. Usually decreases the blood pressure. PRESSURE, blood pressure. Weight pressure. Usually decreases the blood pressure. Okay. Next, number 4 you write. Race, RACE, race. Number 4, race, RACE, race. Race. Write down. Certain races, RACES, certain races. Who is Johnny Sins? Anybody knows Johnny Sins? Is your classmate, section A?
No, ma'am.
Don't know, na? Okay. Okay. Race, certain races, RACES, races. Example लिखा, example Negroes,
Example,
Negro, you don't know Negroes?
Negro. No, ma'am.
Yes.
Oh, Negro. अच्छा,
अरे
okay. Oh,
Negroes,
yeah.
NEGROES, Negroes will have a higher blood pressure reading than other races. Negroes will have higher blood pressure readings than other races. That means Negro people, okay, their blood pressure is higher compared to us, compared to our race. Okay, Negro race is what? They are dark, na? So that is the reason. That is also one of the reason, okay, that their blood pressure will be higher than us. Okay. These are some of the factors. Number 5, climate. Number 5 लिखा climate. CLIMAT, climate. Write down. Pressure, PRESSURE, pressure. Pressure norms, NORMS norms. Pressure norms are lower. Rohan, you have a laptop or what?
No, ma'am. My father has, but I can't use it.
Okay. Climate, you write pressure norms, PRESSURE, pressure norms, NORMS, pressure norms are lower in tropical climates. Pressure norms are lower in tropical climates. Tropical climates. Tropical climates. Then temperate and highest in polar climates. Then temperate, TEMPERATE, then temperate, and highest in polar climates. And highest in polar climates. Polar, POLAR, polar climates. So next number 6. 6th point you write down. Time of the day. Time of the day. Time. TIME, time. Time of the day. DAY. Time of the day. Put a dash and write down. In all persons. PERSONS. In all persons, comma, blood pressure is lowest. In all persons, blood pressure is lowest. LOWEST, blood pressure is lowest in the early morning. Ratipua, okay, in the early morning, MORNING, in the early morning, and then rises to the peak, and then rises to a peak, PEAK, and then rises to a peak, PEAK, peak in the evening. In the evening, comma, then it declines. Then it declines. That means daytime our blood pressure usually goes high. Okay, but Ratipua in the morning hours, early morning, your blood pressure is normally low. Okay, but daytime because of work, because of heat, your blood pressure increases. But slowly again as it approaches night, your blood pressure also decreases with time. Okay, understand? Then next point you write exercise. Exercise, EXERCISE, exercise. Number 7 point, exercise. Exercise. Then write muscular exertion. Muscular exertion, EXERTION, muscular exertion, comma, will raise the blood pressure. Whenever you go for exercise, gym, what happens? Your blood pressure normally increases. Okay, muscular exertion, comma, will raise the blood pressure, BP. Got it? Then the next point you write down, pain, PAIN, pain. Pain means, what is pain? Pain,
Third.
Pain, you write down. Severe pain. Severe pain. Severe pain may cause temporary. May cause temporary. Severe pain may cause temporary and marked increase in the BP. And marked increase in the BP. Whenever you have pain, okay, it might also lead to increased blood pressure. These are some of the factors, okay, that can cause high blood pressure. Next point, you write down emotion. Next point, number, come on, Wesley, what is?
9.
Yeah, 9 point you write down. Emotion. Emotion, put a dash and write down. Fear. Fear, F-E-A-R, fear, comma, worry, W-O-R-R-Y, worry, fear, worry, comma, excitement, E-X-C-I-T-M-E-N-T, excitement, excitement, and other emotional factors, will raise the blood pressure to a greater level. Will raise the blood pressure to a greater level, L-E-V-E-L, level. Okay, so all these kind of emotions like fear, okay, happiness, too much of happiness, excitement, okay, worry, tension, can also distress can also lead to increased blood pressure. Okay, next point you write down. Posture. Posture, P-O-S-T-U-R-E, number 10 point, posture, P-O-S-T-U-R-E, posture. Put a dash. It is often stated that BP is lower when lying down. BP is lower, L-O-W-E-R, lower when lying down, L-Y-I-N-G, lying down, than when sitting or standing. S-T-N-D-I-N, standing. Full stop. When the BP is decreased, D-C-R-E-S-E-D, when the BP is decreased, suddenly on standing posture, when the BP is decreased, suddenly on standing posture, comma, it is called, C-A-L-L-E-D, called orthostatic hypotension. It is called orthostatic hypotension, ortho, O-R-T-H-O.
Suddenly,
Hmm?
suddenly,
On standing posture, suddenly on standing, S-T-A-N-D-I-N-G, standing posture, P-O-S-T-U-R-E, posture, comma, it is called orthostatic hypotension, orthostatic, O-R-T-H-O, orthostatic, S-T-A-T-I-C, orthostatic hypotension. So whenever the BP decreases, by chance you are standing up suddenly, while standing up your BP decreases, so that the meaning, the term is orthostatic hypotension. Underline that word, orthostatic hypotension. Okay. And what is that? Posture. When you are in a lying down or in a resting position, your BP is normally low. Okay. Then compared to a sitting or standing position. But while standing, suddenly if your BP decreases, then that term is orthostatic hypotension. Okay, I will show you one diagram. Can you see this?
Stethoscope.
Oh, the hip. Are you able to see? Okay, can you see the stethoscope?
Yes.
So this is the stethoscope. It is used for blood pressure checking, for checking the BP. Okay, two things are used. Okay, stethoscope and sphygmomanometer. So this is stethoscope. You should know the parts. Who is Maya Khalifa? Okay, you should see the parts. Okay, you have to draw this in your practical copies. See, this one is the ear tips. These two things are the ear tips. Okay, this thing, this steel, which you can see that goes down, this is the binaural. Okay, this is the tubing. This whole red color is a tubing. Okay, then binaural spring, there is a double shaped on the neck area, that is the binaural spring. Then the taller part, this down portion is the diaphragm, from where you can hear or listen to the beats. Okay, and this is upside is known as the bell, B-double-L, bell. Okay, ear tips, binaurals, tubings, binaural spring, bell, and the lastly is the diaphragm. Got it? Did you get the diagram?
Yes, ma'am.
So you will have to draw this in your practical copies. Arveta, you see? Where is it? Are you able to see this? Can you see?
No, ma'am. No.
Itya?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the sphygmomanometer. Okay, it is used for measuring blood pressure. Understand? So this one, say, this is a box. It's quite heavy. Okay, it is quite heavy. This is inside. There will be a silver lining. Okay, inside this glass there is a silver lining. It is known as mercury manometer. Okay, then this is the mercury that goes up while checking a blood pressure. When you pump, okay, this thing will go up. Understand? This is a BP cuff. This is a lock. When you push this down, this will get locked. It will get folded. Okay, this is the valve from which you will pump. This is the inflation valve. You will have to pump here so that the BPs, this mercury level will raise up, and then you will get some kind of beating. Okay, through your stethoscope you will get some beating. You will hear that beating, and through that you can measure the blood pressure. Understand? This is a box. This is the BP cuff. This is a lock for closing. This is the valve, and this bitter, which you can see the black color, this is the same thing. This one, inflation valve. Okay, and this is the mercury manometer, and here inside readings are there. Okay.
এটাই বাল্ব থাকে ন মেম?
Huh? Oh,
এটাইতো
তুমি
থাকে
দুটা
ন
বাল্ব
বাল্ব?
এনেকুৱা কৰিব নেকি? নহয় নহয়, এটাই বাল্ব।
এনে দুটা দেখাইছিল নে ভাবিছো।
নহয়, ভিতৰত আছিলে, সেইকাৰণে বাহিৰত মানে for giving you a, for showing the parts, okay, clearly, more visibly, it was shown outside, but only atai cup, only one cup. Okay, you will have to draw these two things in your practical copies. Okay. Okay, thank you, all of you. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Shall we leave now, ma'am?